Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. And if you love to make homemade pizza, try it in a cast iron skillet. You've heard it many times. Cast iron cooking just makes food taste better, and pizza is no exception. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound of pizza dough, homemade or store-bought, your favorite pizza sauce, some good extra virgin olive oil, and cheeses, an Italian blend or mozzarella, and the big surprise, Jack cheese. Wait till you see what we do with that. Then any or all of your favorite toppings and some fresh basil. Now choose your skillet, small, large, or both. You'll add some olive oil, just enough to coat. Let the pizza dough rest until it's workable, then spread it to cover the bottom of the pan. For the smaller skillet, you'll need a ½ pound of dough. Now cover and let rise for 30 minutes. Then spoon the pizza sauce over the dough, leaving about a ½ inch border. Now take the shredded Jack cheese and create a border, pinching it against the pan. This will meld with the dough for an out-of-this-world flavor. Spread the mozzarella over top and then add all of your favorite toppings and finish with some Parmesan cheese. Bake at 400 degrees until the crust is cooked. Then dive into crunchy, piping hot deliciousness. Cast iron pizza, a great new twist on an old favorite. Thanks for watching the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.